Food safety refers to all conditions and practices that preserve the quality of food to prevent contamination and foodborne illnesses. In the year 2000, World Health Organization member states adopted a resolution to recognize food safety as an essential public health function.
The major symptoms of foodborne diseases include diarrhea, nausea, dehydration, and fever. These are also same symptoms that are reflected in other diseases.
The bacteria that we commonly find in food which is not well kept include salmonellosis, include shigellosis, include what we call enteropathic E. coli. These are bacteria which then form preformed toxins in the food, which then cause an immediate and abrupt onset of diarrhea and vomiting.
Foodborne diseases thus cause about 420,000 deaths annually, according to a report by World Health Organization. Africa and East-South Asia regions have the highest incidences of foodborne diseases and mortality rate, especially for children under the age of 5 years, as a result of poor food handling habits and practices. For improved food safety, it is essential to be conscious of our food sources and ensure we obtain food from hygienic sources and outlets.
If you want to make any salad or you want to do anything, before you do anything, you have to clean it thoroughly.
Washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly with clean water before cooking or eating reduces chances of contaminations from bacteria and other disease-causing pathogens.
Everybody wash their hands.
Inculcating a hand-washing behavior as a safety practice in handling food is an effective disease control and prevention measure that helps curtail increase in foodborne diseases across populations.
Children, remember also, after eating, don't forget to wash your hands. Sure? Yes.
Food storage and transportation processes should always be observed to help eliminate biological hazards through application of optimal 4 degrees centigrade and below refrigeration temperatures.
Let's do a green salad as well.
Food served raw, such as fruits and vegetable salads, should be thoroughly washed with clean water to avoid cross-contamination and eliminate harmful germs, while food cooking temperatures should be maintained at highest suitable levels in order to kill harmful microbes. It is a standard practice and a legal requirement that all food handlers obtain authorization from relevant authorities and agencies for maintenance of high food hygiene and safety standards.
Food vendors in the open. This sector has been largely liberalized. So if you look at them, their hygienic conditions are so poor, and this calls for strict government regulations to ensure that our public is protected against these foodborne illnesses.
Okay.
Today, experts warn that as food production and distribution becomes increasingly globalized and supply chain more complex, the risk of more people contracting foodborne diseases in all regions could increase if coordinated global and regional action is not taken.